Uses of alkali metals. First point, lithium is used as a metal in number of alloys. First, lithium with magnesium. Lithium with magnesium alloy. It contains 14% lithium metal and it is extremely tough and corrosion resistant. So it is used for armor plate and aerospace components. Okay, armor plates and aerospace components. Okay, next, lithium with lead. It's a white metal and used for the bearings for motor engines. Bearings for motor engines. Next, lithium forms alloy with aluminium. Lithium aluminium alloy is used to make aircraft parts. Aircraft parts. Okay. Next, second use. Lithium hydroxide is used in the ventilation system of spacecrafts and submarines to absorb carbon dioxide. Lithium hydroxide. Lithium hydroxide is used in ventilation system of spacecrafts and submarines used to absorb carbon dioxide. Next, third point. Lithium aluminium hydride. With lithium aluminium hydride, it is a powerful reducing agent and used in the organic synthesis. It is used as a reducing agent in organic synthesis. In organic reactions, it is used as a reducing agent. Powerful, it is a powerful reducing agent. Next, fourth point, liquid sodium or its alloys with potassium. Liquid sodium or its alloy with potassium. This is used as a coolant in nuclear reactors. Coolant in nuclear reactors. Next, fifth point, sodium lead alloy. Sodium lead alloy, which is used in the preparation of tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead. It's an important product which is used as an anti-knocking agent in petrol. Anti-knocking agent in petrol. That is Pb plus 4Ne. This is the alloy, lead sodium alloy with 4C2H5Cl. Okay, gets converted into PbC2H5 4 times. This is tetraethyl lead plus 4NaCl. Okay, this tetraethyl lead is an important product which is used as an anti-knocking agent in petrol. Next point. Sodium is also used in sodium vapor lamps. Sodium vapor lamps. Okay. Next, potassium chloride, KCl. Potassium chloride is an important fertilizer, used as a fertilizer. Next point, potassium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soft soaps. Also, it is used as an absorbent of carbon dioxide. Next point, Potassium ion. Potassium ion plays a vital role in biological systems. Vital role in biological systems. Biological systems. Next point, cesium. Cesium is used as an electrode in photoelectric cells. Photoelectric cells. These are the important uses of alkali metals. Okay.